Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young student named Hiro. Hiro was known for his thirst for knowledge and his insatiable curiosity about the mysteries of life. He spent his days studying under the wise tutelage of Master Akira, a revered Zen master. One evening, as the sun began its descent towards the horizon, Hiro found himself sitting on the banks of a tranquil pond. The water glistened like a mirror, reflecting the golden hues of the setting sun. Mesmerized by the breathtaking sight, Hiro couldn't help but contemplate the deeper meaning behind this fleeting moment. As he watched the sun slowly inch its way below the horizon, Hiro's mind began to wander. He pondered the impermanence of life's cycles, much like the rising and setting of the sun. He marveled at how everything in this world was subject to change and transformation, just as the sun's journey through the sky. Master Akira, who happened to be passing by, noticed Hiro lost in deep contemplation. With a knowing smile, he approached the young student and sat beside him. Hiro greeted his master respectfully and shared his thoughts about the setting sun's reflection on the calm waters. Master Akira listened attentively, acknowledging the wisdom in Hiro's musings. He then began to share a story, passed down through generations, that illustrated the very essence of the young student's realization. There once was a mighty oak tree, began Master Akira, that stood tall and proud in a magnificent forest. Its branches stretched far and wide, providing shelter and shade to countless creatures. But one day, a great storm swept through the forest, and the oak tree was uprooted and fell to the ground. Hiro listened intently, his imagination painting vivid pictures of the forest and the fallen oak tree. Master Akira continued, many years passed, and a tiny acorn nestled itself in the fertile soil near the fallen oak. With time, it grew into a sapling, reaching for the sun's warmth. And as the sapling matured, it became a mighty oak tree, much like its predecessor. The cycle of growth and change continued, each generation passing the torch to the next. Hiro's eyes widened as he grasped the profound wisdom embedded in the story. Life was a tapestry of interconnected moments, each fleeting and impermanent, yet always giving way to new beginnings. The reflection of the setting sun on the calm waters became a symbol of the ever-changing nature of existence. Deeply moved, Hiro expressed his gratitude to Master Akira for his guidance and wisdom. The young student now understood that life's beauty lay not only in its permanence, but also in its impermanence. And as the sun bid its final farewell to the day, Hiro felt a sense of peace and acceptance, knowing that every ending brought with it the promise of a new beginning. From that day forward, Hiro approached his studies with newfound reverence, embracing the cycles of life and cherishing each passing moment. And whenever he witnessed the reflection of a setting sun on calm waters, he was reminded of the Zen reflection that had forever changed his perspective on life.